Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol LCA. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I offer an explanation video at that link. Very nice movement on this one, especially when you factor in the context, and that context being that not that long ago the price was, flirting with lows all the way down here, and now you look at where the price is, and it's worked its way very nicely in the upwards direction. So going into next week, that does bring about the more than valid question of, yeah, that's been a nice move, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around this area down here at $13. Why is $13 important? Well, I'm not saying this is what's going to happen, but just for explanation purposes, let's say that the price comes down here to 13 and then just continues on down. What would that be doing to the price at that point? Well, from a very literal point of view, that would be putting the price literally right back inside of that range where it already was. And not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true power, true strength, or anything like that. Whereas on the flip side, if the price were to come down here, behave in that manner, and then start to work its way back upwards, now all of a sudden what would you have? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have those lows there. You'd have lows down there. And if you envision each one of those as stair steps, what do you have? Well, at that point, you now have stair steps making progress in the upwards direction. And that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And again, in this situation, quote-unquote progress being defined as $13. As far as areas of resistance are concerned, main level to watch going forward, you're going to be right up there at the $14. Whoops, let's try that again. $14.50 mark. You can see that on a couple different occasions today. Both there and then there. The price tried to get up above that level, couldn't quite do it. So I'm not saying that level can't be broken or anything like that. I'm just saying it's become quite apparent that 1450 is public enemy number one going into next week. But all in all, nice movement today. Nice movement really the back half of the week. So we'll see if the price can build upon this momentum or not moving forward. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.